What up, family? It's boy Dash Twin and Merrily. It is 10:50 p.m. my city, Chicago. So for Sunday, January 25th, 2026, 33% on my phone. All right, let's wrap this up, Mary McNamara's. I went to church today. Bishop Byron Brazier Church of God, 64th and Dorchester, right? Been going there for a few years now because I'm trying to figure out where my money going. And coming out of church, I seen a license plate that had it said Reverend something run on it, right? And around the license plate, it said, Jesus died for me so I can live for him. Now, Reverend Run from Run DMC got a song called Mine on the Road. Now, the pastor that came to speak to give Brazier his bishopship was from New Jersey. And he's got a ministry called Highway Deliverance Ministry. I wrote a piece a long time ago called Highway Robbery. Now, will a man rob God? According to Malachi chapter 3, verse 8. And on the Country Wayne show, they got a guy by the name of Malachi, and he's playing the good guy and the bad guy. Now, the scripture today was in church, Mark chapter 6. They talked about in Matthew's chapter 3. Now, I'm an originated rapper since the age of 8, 1975. But I haven't gotten anything for it. Real talk. Not a new car, nothing. They just, taking my money and doing what they want to do with it. That's up to God. You understand the outcome of that. Now, I try not to flip this Bible, but, my rappers are getting killed. So when y'all get through killing us, I guess the pastors are next, right? They've been killing a couple of black ones too, but, they're going to be dying just as much as the rappers because they wanted us out the way. Obviously, we was messing up their money, tax-free money at that, while we paying taxes and this, that, and the third. In 1995, I put my voice to the Sound of Music 3 cassette tapes running back in the Martin Luther King I Have a Dream speech. And, I mentioned a big church that I wanted. Real talk. And, of course, churches start popping up all over the world and, they making a killing tax-free. So let me see what the words say. The words say Psalms chapter 89 at the top and 90. Now, it's got a promise right here. Verse 33. It says, but I will never abandon my loyal love for him, nor be untrue to my promise. See, God made a promise. And they are stealing my rap legacy and money and giving it to, they people. We're going to go all the way to 1055 because 10 City is my city. Now, over here, it says rappers and black dancers. So we're going to do Psalms chapter 87, 88, and through 91. You know what I'm saying? Stop killing my people to fund your buffoonery. Let's talk. So you're going to have to answer to God before it's over with. This is 7. If I was gambling, all them fake ass pimps in the pulpit would be dead. This the 2 on my mama. They killed my mama because I'm the originator of rap since the age of 8, 1975. This the 3, 10 City. Gonna always be mine, Chicago. And this the 5. So you got the 7 and the 5. Originator rap since the age of 8, 1975. You got the Bloods and the Crips, the 2 and the 3, Jordan. You got 10 City, my city, Chicago. You got the 3 and the 5. That's 8 originated rap since the age 8, 1975. So we're going to add it up. 10, 15, 16, 17. Gave Oprah Winfrey my child abuse rap at the age of 17 in 1984. And she been pimping me ever since. Step your game up. Peace.